Hi, I'm just going to show you how to create graph from Excel and then export the file and insert into OneNote. So here I have the X and Y data. So I'm going to highlight the information and then go to insert because I want to draw a scatter graph. So I'm just click on one of this graph here. And let's say if I want to change the color background, so I'll just click on this one here at the top, or you can click on this icon where you can change the background color. Now if I'm going to draw the regression line, I need to click on one of the point and then select a trend line. So I want to put in the equation. So here's the equation. And I want to put in the R values, which is the product movement correlation coefficient. Okay, so I'm just going to put the label at the top. Okay, just underneath the line. Okay, I think that will do for now. Yep, I'm just going to put it up a little bit more. Yep, here we go. Yep. Okay, so let's say I'm going to save the file and I'm going to save it under my desktop. So save. Now let's go to OneNote and I'm going to insert the file. So insert file, and this is my file from my desktop. Now I'm going to upload that file to OneDrive and then insert the link. The reason is because whenever I open this file again from OneDrive, whatever changes I'm making, what I see in OneNote, it will change as well. Okay, just wait for this to load. Okay, so this is the Excel. So if you want to view the full size, you just press here. Okay, so let's go to OneDrive and open that file and see what happened. Okay, so this is the file from OneDrive. So let's say I'm going to highlight all of this and I'm going to fill that with a color. So let's say blue, okay? Now I'm going to, so now this file been saved. Okay, so after I edited the spreadsheet from OneDrive, now I still have the spreadsheet in OneNote, but this column here should be filled in blue. So if I view the file now from OneNote and in full size, as you can see, now the document been updated.